Tired of looking like a basic beesh? No matter what you do to your wig, it's always boring. You're at your wit's end. You don't know what to do anymore. You don't know how to style it. No matter what you do, your wig won't look like the wigs on Instagram. Well, this is the video for you.
Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back.
Yeah, man, how you doing? You good? I know you like that. I know you like that. How long you been back, man? I see the girls in the club, they're getting wild for me. And all the pretty chicks all wanna smile at me. These rap cats, man, they all got.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's your favorite beach, Brittany Beesh, and today I am going to be transforming this wig. I've meant to do a video on this wig for a very long time. This has been my everyday wig, pretty much. I wore it to work, I've been wearing it to class, I've been wearing it for my finals, but it's just kind of, it's not giving me bad beach, it's just giving me regular, right? Like, I feel like this could be my hair if I straightened it, and which is cool, and which is exactly what I was going for, because all my wigs have been like 22 inches, and that can be annoying too. So now I'm gonna be doing something different to it. All I know is that I want to cut it. I don't know exactly how, but I want to do a lob. You know, I was on Pinterest always, and I want to do like a long bob. I'm not a hairstylist, I don't know how to do any of this stuff. You're just watching me do something. I always know how to finesse though, and what I've noticed with my wigs is every time I cut them, they're never really that even, but if you curl it, you can't tell. You can't really tell. So I'm just gonna cut it into a lob and take it from there. All right, so I'm going for something like this. Okay, so what I've learned from cutting wigs is you always start out longer than you actually want it, because you can always cut more, but you can't add it back. So back up so you guys can see, and I'm gonna start out with the back. It is parted to the side because I do wear my hair to the side mostly, so whatever. Listen, if this doesn't come out good, life goes on. I'll figure it out. It'll be a pixie cut. All right, so I don't want it to be like too precise. So I want it to be like armpit length straight and then shoulder length when it's like wavy. So any hairstylist that's watching this right now is probably like cringing, like, sis, what are you doing? Okay, so I'm gonna cut up this way. I don't know, when it comes to like cutting hair, I feel like who cares? Like, just do whatever feels right, you know? Okay, so this one I'm gonna be cutting like down. I'm just gonna try to like layer it around my face. We're getting somewhere, guys, we're getting somewhere. So I'm liking the length. I feel like it's still like a little bit too long, so I'm just gonna cut the front pieces to make them a little bit shorter. Let me see, we started out like below the tit and now we are above the crop top, honey. Yes. Should I cut more? I think so. And this is what I said about like starting long and then cutting as you go, is like now I can really like shape it to what I want and how I would like it to frame my face. I kind of like that. I think this is good. I think this is good. I don't think I need to go any shorter than that, because when I curl it up, it's gonna be shorter. Okay, now to recreate this on this side, and I'm gonna line it up with this side. Yeah, right there. Okay, cool. Now up here. Okay, so let me review this hair for you while I am styling it. So this hair does come longer. It came longer than I expected it to be, which is dope. I feel like it always sucks when your hair is not true to length when it's shorter, but if it's a little bit longer, like whatever. Unless it's a bob, unless you meant for it to be a bob, then it might be a little disappointing. I expected it to come like this actually. So that's not bad. The only thing is the ends have been struggly since I got it, because the hair it didn't feel like the hair was trash, and it didn't look like the hair was trash. It was like, it was good until I got out to like the ends. So if you're getting this wig, I would say get it like the length that you want, since it is longer, and trim it. Once you trim it, it's gonna feel beautiful, it's gonna feel amazing. But before that, like, the ends were not it, honey. The ends were not it. But that's like hair in general. It's like if the ends are bad, your whole head is gonna look crazy. Ooh, okay, I'm loving this. Yeah, if you've never cut a wig before, just start out, just like keep cutting like 1 inch at a time. And you'll be pleasantly surprised by how it turns out. Like the first time I ever cut a bob, I was going to a big ass event, and if I would have looked crazy, it would have ended me. But it came out great. It came out great. That was everybody's like favorite style on me. That was when I started to become the baddie bee you guys know today. I love a good bob. Love bob season, honey. Oh my gosh, I look so much better and I haven't even done anything to it. Comb it out now. Let me just make sure none of the ends look stupid. Right here looks a little wacky. So I'm just gonna cut that this way. All right, now I'm gonna straighten it. I do want it to be wavy, but I wanted it to be pretty flat. This is how I straighten my hair. I use a brush. Wait, I kind of bodied this cut. Now to really turn into a baddie bee. I've been doing this thing where I don't put foundation on my forehead, and it looks like I kind of contoured because I got super tan in Jamaica, but only on my forehead. Natural contour, honey. All right, so I just finished curling it, and I'm just gonna rake out the waves a little bit. Yes, yo, I like it already. I really like it already. Oh, guys, I haven't had a bob in so long. This is giving me like going through a phase. Just broke up with my man, and I cut my hair, and I'm ready to, I don't know. What am I ready to do? Go out? Take the town? Find a new one? I don't know. This bob is giving me, ooh, missing a strand. This bob is giving me life. Single, ready for a Pringle. Okay, so the style that she did was, she like, I don't know if I want to do that though. So I was editing the video and my lace was way too clockable before. And the style that I was doing before, what was I thinking? I looked like a poodle. I look stupid. So I'm still gonna style it again. So I'm in my pajamas and I have to do an outro before. After this, I'm gonna wipe off my face. But we're back with more barrettes. We're not gonna be wild this time. Still a Pinterest look, but not wild. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the darkest pink first. Let me know if you guys are here for the barrettes thing. I think it's so cute. I love 90s style. Feel me? And look guys, it matches my pajamas. Pajama haul coming soon. Guys, my lip, nah. I gotta insert the footage of what I was looking like. I mean, y'all saw it though. Y'all saw it. Yes, and we are done. That's it. I don't know what I was doing the most before, like half up, half down, something. Like, this is so cute. And I'm never middle part gang because my head is too big, but I don't know, I'm kind of liking the middle part. It's not that bad. I thought my head would be booming, but it's not that bad. And you know, the lace looks better. we're doing good. We're doing good out here. I'm so happy with this wig now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think about both of the styles, even the one before that I had to scrap. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you're here for the breadth or if I should pack it up delicious. And let me know what other videos you guys want to see me making. Okay, I love these styling videos. I love doing stuff with my hair, different things, and I really only do this for videos because in my regular life I don't do anything to my hair. I just rock the wig how it wants to show up to the party. Okay, but for videos I'll do a little something. I don't know, I might wear a little beret outside here and there. Follow me on Instagram if you guys want to see. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye and good night. I need to go to bed.
That's what everybody say. 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 That's what everybody